Hi, today I would like to show you how I make this spiral rib. You can see here that it is quite stretchy and it pulls well together when relaxed. And this is what it looks like on the wrong side, and you can see the spiraling effect quite clearly. And to make this type of ribbing with the stitch numbers that I have used, you need to cast on a number of stitches that can be divided by 6, because one repetition of this pattern is 6 stitches. And I have another piece here that I have just started so that I can show you how I begin to make this pattern. What I have done so far is to cast on, and I have knitted 2 rounds, 1 purl round and then 1 knitted round. In this example I have only cast on and then begun the spiral rib pattern in the first round. But you could also choose to make a thicker edge like this. But this is what it looks like when you begin the pattern in the first round. Now I will show you how to start, and from the beginning of the round I knit 2. As you may notice, I am halfway around. I have already begun here, but let's pretend this is the beginning of the round here. I did the exact same thing when I started there. So we are now at the beginning of the round, and I knit 2 stitches, 1, 2, then I yarn over and knit 2 more, and I knit 2 stitches together. And that's 1 repetition of the pattern. And I go again. I knit 2, yarn over, knit 2, and then I knit 2 together. And by doing this, the yarn over adds 1 stitch and the knit 2 together takes away 1 stitch. So I will end up with the same stitch number that I cast on. And I continue. I knit 2, yarn over, knit 2, and knit 2 together. And then I knit 2, yarn over, knit 2, and knit 2 together. And now you can see I'm at the beginning of my round again, and I'm ready to do the second round. And this round will be repeated in each round you knit. So from now I will knit 2, and here I have my yarn over, but I will stay with my pattern. So I have knit 2 stitches, I yarn over, and then I will knit this one. And I have 2 choices. I can knit it open like this and I get a hole. This will create a lace effect. I will get holes up all along in my spiral pattern. What I like to do is to twist knit my yarn over. So I keep the new yarn over here and I stick my needle through, not from this side, but like this. I make my needles switch places and then I knit. Now you can see the yarn crosses over, so the stitch is twisted. So knit 2, yarn over, knit 1, knit 2, and knit 2 together. Knit 2, yarn over, twist, knit 1, and knit 1, and knit 2 together. And this is what it looks like so far. It's not easy to see any spiraling yet. Now just continue. Knit 2, yarn over, twist, knit, knit, and knit 2 together. Knit 2, yarn over, twist, knit, and knit, and knit 2 together. And this I will repeat all the time. And when you have done a few more rounds, it'll begin to take shape and you will see the spiraling effect. And this is the finished result. Thank you for watching.